Hello students, here is Dr. Narendra Singh, Associate Professor in Physics, Department of Basic Sciences, Oriental College of Technology, Bhopal. Already we know about the optical fiber optics, the parameters on which the signal propagation depends, and the losses inside your optical fiber. Today, in this particular lectures, we will just study the advantages, disadvantages, and the uses of your optical fibers. So, the contents or the topics for today lectures are, that is the advantages of the optical fiber, disadvantages of your optical fibers, then uses of the optical fibers. So the first one is the advantages of your optical fiber. That means why we are just using these optical fibers for the transmissions of your signals, as in spite of your this aluminum or the copper wire. The first one is these optical fibers are cheaper as compared to the aluminum wires or the copper wire. Why? Because the main ingredients of these optical fibers is your glass, which is much cheaper as compared to the metals such as your aluminum or the copper. The second one is that is the safety, because the signal transmissions in your optical fibers is in terms of your photons or the light, instead of your electric current. So there are no chance of your spark or the flash or the other such things which are dangerous to handle when the signals are propagated. The third one, this advantages of this one, that is your radio frequency interference. We know that the signal is propagated in your optical fiber in terms of your photons, so there is no electric current at all in throughout the process. So what it means? It means that is the energy transmitted through the fiber is not radiated in terms of your radio frequency interference. So we can say that there is no radio frequency interference. The fourth one advantage of these optical fiber are that is the security. We know that in the absence of the current through this optical fiber, so criminal intrusion into the system is also prevented. Means there is no leakage of the confidential information when the signal is propagated through the optical fiber. That means we can transmit the signals quite safely. That next is that is the low losses. We know that in your metals there is huge loss in terms of your ohmic losses inside the these wires when the signal is transmitted. However, in case of your optical fibers, the loss is very small. That is your round about your 4 dB per kilometer, which is your very small loss inside the optical fibers. Then the next advantages of this optical fiber is your small size and lightweight. Why these optical fibers are very small and the lightweight? Because they are made of your glass. We can say that the core as well as your cladding, they are made of your glass, and which are very much lighter, also having small size as compared to the metals. The next one advantage is your wider band width. We know that in case of your copper wires or the aluminum wire, we can transmit only one signal at a time. However, in case of your optical fiber, we can transmit thousands of signals simultaneously. So optical fiber having wider bandwidth as compared to these coppers or the aluminum wires. Now we have the some of the disadvantages of this optical fiber. The first one is your limited application. So that means that all the fiber optic systems are limited to fixed point-to-point ground installation. The next one is your nuclear radiation. Nuclear radiation, when this glass is exposed to neutrons bombardment, then it will be darkened. Means we can say here that the when the transmission of the signal through the optical fibers takes place, then there is a chance of release of your nuclear radiation, which are very much dangerous for the society. The other thing is your low power. So popular light emitting sources are restricted to very low power devices. The next one is that is the distance. Because of the low power sources, the distance between the repeater and the sources should be short. ये distance कितना ये it will be very much short. So, but it means we cannot transmit the signal at the far distance from these optical fibers. The other disadvantages of this optical fibers are that is the modulation. So there are limited ways in which the light sources can be modulated. Then we have the uses of uses or the application of these optical fibers. The first one, very much the important application of these optical fiber is in the field of your communications or the signal transmissions information from one point to the other points. The other one is your the military applications. So in military mobiles such as your aircrafts, ships, tanks, etc., the fiber guided missiles are used for the communication links. Then in your traffic signals we can also use this optical fiber that means used in the closed circuit TV, that is your CCTV links for traffic control, security, etc. We can use these optical fiber. Already I have also told that the signal transmissions is much safer through this optical fiber. Also used in sensor and transducer. Then in the fabrications of a fiber scope in endoscopy for the visualization of internal portion of your human body. We can use in the human body also these fiber optics, optical fiber for the signal transmission. So thank you very much. I hope so you have learned a lot from the today's lecture. Thank you very much.